Hola, hola, buenos días. En esta semana, siempre comenzando con nuestra plataforma de Google Classroom, la materia de Phonics para prepa A y B. Soy Miss Nubia, un gusto de estar nuevamente con ustedes. Hoy vamos a trabajar desde la page 115 through page 126. Letter C and letter R. First, circle letter C, capital letter and small letter. Just circle. This is the page. Let's see. Esta página es opcional que usted la puede hacer. Si usted puede terminarla, si no, pues no la haga. Es solamente una plana de la letter C. At the top of the page, we have corn. At the end, we have a cow. Corn, cow. Next, we have some pictures. We have cage, camel, car, comb. Just color the picture that beginning with letter C. Then we have some picture that beginning with letter C. We have a corn, we have a carrot, we have cookies, we have cake, and we have a chef. All the picture beginning with letter C. Carrot, corn, cookies, cake. Then, complete the page with capital letter and small letter. We have a car beginning with letter C. We have a cane beginning with letter C. Next we have a comb, and the other picture is cupcake beginning with letter C. Cupcake. And the last page from letter C is cap, coat, car, cow. This is all the pictures that letter C. Then we have a letter R. Some rabbit. Please complete with capital letter and small letter the way. Completemos con la letra R, mayúscula y minúscula, hasta llegar hasta la casa. Complete. Draw a line. Esta es la otra página que usted, si prefiere, pues no la complete. Es opcional, la de la plana. Solamente arriba, en la parte de arriba, we have a rabbit, and the end. En la parte de abajo, we have ring. We have ring, like me. Ring, como el mío. Ring. Then, some pictures that beginning with letter R. We have rug, robot, ribbon, rainbow, rain. Just circle the picture that beginning with letter R. Next, circle the picture that beginning with letter R. We have robot, rocket, we have rooster, we have rainbow, we have rainbow, robot, rocket, rooster, rainbow. Then, please write capital letter and small letter with the picture that beginning with letter R. We have rain, then we have rake, then roll, roof, roof. Just three pictures that beginning. Four pictures that beginning with letter R. Rain, rake, road, roof. And the last picture is the complete the word with letter R. We have a rake, rock, and ruler. Rake, rock, and ruler. Bueno, llegamos al final. Practica siempre la letra R y la letra C. Les extraño. Bendiciones. Y nos vemos hasta en la próxima clase. Bye.